Okay, everybody, I want you to take out a plain piece of paper right now. I'm going to teach you guys this thing called construction. So we're going to learn, right, two kinds of construction, okay? So today, the first thing first that we're going to learn is angle bisector. Now, what does angle bisector means? Bi means cut into two, like bicycle. Bicycle has how many wheels? Two, right? Or like, for example, bisexual means two genders. Bicycle, two. So same thing. Bisector means two. That means that you need to go and draw a line that cuts the angle into equal half. Okay, so right now, for example, how are we going to do it? Everybody, do you have your mathematical set? Okay, those who do not have, they borrow from your friends. So can you see? Right now, I'm going to have this. You can just randomly draw like some figure. Okay, we just randomly draw. Best if you can draw it huge. Everybody look here. Best if you can draw it huge. We call this as A, B, C, D. So for example, in the question, your teacher will say that, okay, example, guys. Your teacher say that, hey, find the angle bisector of angle ABC. Yeah, don't give your ABC. It's quite hard. BCD. Okay, BCD. So guys, what does that mean? Everybody look here. Can you see that over here we have angle BCD right now, guys? Oopsies. BCD, right? So where is BCD? Oh, wrong color. Should be blue. Where is BCD? Can you see that B is here, C is here, and D is here? So if I want to find the angle bisector, means that my line that I need to draw must somewhat be around here, like that. Got it so far? Now, a lot of students make this mistake. They draw the line, right? It's too short. You must make sure that your line is drawn until you cut the whole figure. So far, so good? Now, how to draw is when you need this thing, is called the... So let me see whether I have the tools. Tools here. Yes, perfect. I have a compass right here. So right now, can you see that over here? Can you see this is where my needle is? Can I do this way? So can you see that this is where I place my needle? Now guys, the tip is that you need to open the... Can you see that this is line BC? I cannot open my compass too big. Means how do I open? I cannot open so big. Understand? Can you see this around BC? Guys, look here, where the pencil is. So I need to open slightly less than half of BC. So wherever you want to draw angle bisector, take note is that you open half, less than half the length. Do you understand now? So when I open less than half of the length, let's see how I can mark. I can mark here. Can you see here? Oopsies. Let me see how do I mark. Okay. So can you see, guys, that my needle I have to place at here. So can you put a mark here? This is step 1. Write down step 1. Place needle here. Okay? Step 1, place needle here. I let you guys copy first. Then everybody go and take your compass and let's all place the needle here together. So everybody, hold on to your compass ready. Let's start drawing. This is where you need to place your needle. So now, how to mark it is that you know that you need to place it here, correct now, guys? So it means that once you hold it, you shouldn't be touching touching the pencil part anymore. Okay? So, if you want to hold, where should you be holding? You should only hold this needle part. Can you see this one? Only hold this needle part here. This person. Understand? This person you cannot touch because the moment you touch, right, the pencil will move. The whole thing is wrong already. So far, so good? So right now, I put it here. Okay, can you see at the dot here? Okay, accurately. Then I mark here. Okay, and move here. And then I mark here. Can you see that? Then what I do is I hold here. Can you see where they cross the intersection? So here I will mark like this. Then next I put my needle here. Can you see I put my needle here? Then I will mark like that. So far so good? Then I'm done with my compass. What do I do next? I use a line. So I draw a line. Where's my line? Where could the line be? Is this the line? Okay. So now I'll draw the line. How to draw the line? Can you see this the red dot is? Where the red dot is, guys? So my line, can I draw like this, guys? I must cut through the whole thing through the intersection of the purple cross. I think it should be like that. Okay? That's it, done. Clear? But I think mine not accurate because my line too thick. Let me change. Maybe I'll put this one instead. Okay, let me redo everything. Then I will mark here. Oh, this is too thick. Oh no, why do they do such a... Maybe must use this, I guess. Okay, let me mark again here. Okay, I'll mark here. I repeat again, those who didn't listen just now. So this one should be here. Needle put here. Mark here. Mark here. Okay? And after that, oh, did this thing move? Oh, it cannot move at all technically. Actually, right, some school teachers, I don't know why they don't allow, but for me, right, what I'll do is I'll just mark the whole thing like this. Means I'll mark the whole thing like that, Then I'll move this needle here. Can you see this one here? At the intersection. Then I'll draw. Oh gosh, how do I move this? Can I just... I'll draw here. Did it move again? This is not very hard to draw. I'll try. Did my pencil move? No, right? I'll mark here. And this one I put here. I'll mark here. Okay, perfect. I think this should be perfect. Then next I have this. The line here. Then I'll just go all the way here to the intersection. So far, so good? Then now, what I have to do is I have to check. Okay, so step 1, then here is step 2. Step 2. Place needle here. Now, last step. Check. Equal angle. So how to check? Let's see, where is my tools? Now I want this. Okay. So I'll check, I will measure. Oh gosh, how do I turn this? Can I turn this? Oh no. Where? Where can I turn? Oh, no. How do I turn? Oh gosh. No, this is getting out of hand. This is my first time using it. What? Where? Cross?
No, look, other side.
What last button? Where? There's no last button. Second last, you mean? This? 14. Must manually write like that one. My God. No, this is crazy. Okay, but anyway, okay, this is too much. You'll just use a protractor, just measure. If let's say here is like 20 degrees, here must also be 20 degrees. These two must be the same. That is how you check. Got it? Clear so far? Okay, you all can make your notes and start drawing now. Then pass it to me to check. Okay, so good job. Everybody has finally cleared. So next one, we're gonna move on. Everybody, best if you flip the paper. Flip the next page, guys. Flip behind. Take your blue pen right now and let's write down number 2. So this is a new piece of paper. I mean, not new piece, that's behind your paper. And let's write it down, guys. Perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector. Now, what does perpendicular bisector means, guys? Perpendicular bisector has 2 things you need to be very careful of. Number 1, it will cut and give you 90 degrees. Number 2, it gives you into 2 equal lengths. 2 equal lengths. So far, so good? Understand? So right now, I would randomly draw. Let's bring my compass down. I will randomly draw one. So you guys also can randomly draw. Make sure it covers half of the paper. So let's draw randomly. Cover half of the paper. And we have A, B, C, D. Okay. So right now, can you see that this is the length DC? So an example is that your teacher say that, hey, find the perpendicular bisector of length DC. So where is DC, guys? DC, length of DC means this person right here. Can you see that? Is this person here, right? So this is a tip for you guys. You can take your red pen. So just now, guys, over here, it was, this symbol means less than. Correct now, guys? Less than, right? Just now. So over here, it will be open the compass, what? Less than or more than half? Very good, more than half. So right now, I have my compass right here. Can you see this compass right here? It's not easy. Okay, so can you see, guys? I need to open. Can you see that this is where aggregation, this is where half is right now, guys? So I cannot open less than half, okay? Otherwise, it will not intersect. I need to open more than half. So everybody open more than half. Take your red pen, dot it here. Oopsies. And dot it here. So these two is step 1. Place needle here. Okay? So what do I mean by place needle here? So everybody can see this person, right? Can you see this is where my needle is? Right here. I open more than half. Then what do I have to do is, oh my God, this is getting messy. Oh, I regret. I shouldn't have like drawn here. I'll just put here, okay, before it gets too messy. Place step 1. And this is also step 1. Or maybe this can be step 2. Yeah, like that better. Other than the ugly handwriting. Okay? So guys, look here. Hello. Very important. Do not miss this. So when I mark, right? Ayo. Yeah, too thick, huh? Maybe I'll do the like this. Okay. So I'll mark out the needle here. Okay, see, I draw out here. Then here, I hope it doesn't move. Don't move, don't move, don't move. Then here, I'll mark it out. Mark it out here. You see that? Then after that, I'll place the needle here. Oh my God, please don't move. Don't move, don't move. Oh my gosh. Then after that, I'll mark it out here. Don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move. I think I'm getting better at this. And mark it out here. Can you see that? Okay, oh my gosh. Okay, got it, guys? Then once I mark it out already, then I have a line. Can you see my line here? Yes, draw the line. So how to draw the line? Can you see this intersection here? And this intersection here, it needs to cross. And be careful, it needs to, oopsie, oopsie, oopsie. This person must be here. Guys, like that. Got it? Then you need to be very careful. So this is step 2, guys. Step 2. Lastly, we need to do a check. So check. Okay, check. So guys, when you check, look here, very important, you need to check number 1, 90 degrees. Number 2, 2 equal lengths. How? So you need to check whether number 1, it gives you a 90 degrees here. And then you must check whether this length right here is equal to this length right here. You all get it now? Then you know you did well. And you need to indicate this in exam. Okay, buddy, done, finished. That's all for today.